Hold up a minute.
So welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do like a low curly ponytail. I'm going to try a method that I see like hairstylists try. I'm the type of person that I just like doing my hair myself. So I just use some regular ceramic flat irons. I flat iron my hair all the way around as best as I could. I also parted it. So I parted down the middle and then down the side. Like a popular way that I see them do it. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by showing y'all the products that I'm going to be using. I don't know if I'm gonna need both packs, but I'm using this hair, Maude Beauty Braid, and it's Beach Curl 20 inch, and I wanted a long one, so I got 20 inch. I usually get some type of wavy kind, but this will do. So I don't know if I'm gonna need 2 packs. We'll just see and stay tuned. Maude's Olive Got To Be freeze spray, a brush, a hard bristle brush, and yeah, and a blow dryer. So that's about it. So the first thing we're going to be doing is making our ponytail. All right, so to put the hair on the ponytail is literally the easiest thing. Just take it and take one side and pull it through. Just like that, okay? And then just keep repeating that until you're satisfied. I have 2 packs of hair, so I don't know, but I'll show you guys at the end how much I used. All right, so I'm done with the ponytail. I think this is the thickness that I want. And also, when you're putting them on, don't worry about them like sliding off, because at the end we'll secure it. So you don't have to worry about that. But yeah, this is gonna be a long ponytail. And don't worry, like it's gonna be more defined and everything. And you can always add more hair if this isn't thick enough for you. But I think this is about thick enough for me. So yeah, because we're going to put the hair part anyway. So let's get started with slicking it. So to begin my ponytail, I just basically started sectioning off piece by piece in the back. And then I started to put down the pomade and then the got to be after that. And basically, I really didn't know what the correct way was to go and order these. So I kind of just did what I felt best. And I found out that I did like to do the pomade first and then got to be, and then after that some more got to be, and then I just tied it up and that was it. I mean, I don't want that. Alright, so I am just gonna like take the hair and then just mold it. Just going this way and then just mold it that way. So I'll bring this kind of forward and then we'll go around. Cool. All right. So after I figure out how I wanted my swoop, I just began to take out my edges. I took out my edges before I slicked down the hair, because I noticed once you try to take your edges out after it's done,
I noticed that like when I was doing like the top of it, I kind of
all that. So to save yourself some
because I couldn't really see in the
back
back at the top, so I kind of lost like how I wanted the shape of my swoop to go. But I fixed it, and everything came out very nice, slick, and smooth. So as far as applying the product, I highly recommend that you do the pomade first, and then after the pomade you do got to be, and then after that you put a little bit more pomade on top. I like doing that method. I felt like it helped everything to stay really like smooth and nice. I also did try doing the got to be first, but I didn't like that. I feel like it flaked up once I put the pomade on top of it. So yeah, you can also just, you know, go back and forth and see what you like to do, but that's what I like to do. So you want to braid up your little ponytail in the back and then secure it with a rubber band. Then after that, you just want to take your ponytail and wrap it around, and then you want to flip the hair around to cover that ponytail. And honestly, I needed more hair because it didn't cover it fully how I would like, so I added more hair the next day. But you just want to wrap the hair around, you know, secure it, and then you want to fluff out the hair to give it that like combed out look. And I also went in with some shears and cut it, and I like that look. So yeah.
Alright, so this is the finished look. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. And don't forget to follow me on all my socials. My Twitter at Kaynajefferson and my Instagram at Kayna.jay. So yeah, guys. Thank you guys and see you later. Bye. Your masterpiece.